Hey, congratulations. You took that next step, and I hope you enjoyed that little video about lovely wife Nadia. I call her my brown caramel delight. She's eye candy, brain food, and spiritual refreshment in one package. So listen, what I need you to do now is go ahead and click over there and download your 40-minute training that's absolutely free. And then go over, click over and download the Dr. Breakthrough app. Man, people all over the world are raving about this powerful app. There's all kinds of special things inside there for you. And then for those of you, my friend, who recognize you want this training, because Benjamin Franklin said if you empty your wallet into your mind, he said your mind will fill your wallet. Dr. Breakthrough says what you put in your head that affects your heart determines what comes to your hand. And if you want more coming to your hand, you got to put more in your head that affects your heart. And that's what this breakthrough selling system is all about. We're going to teach you, you're going to have more influence as a pastor, as a parent. You got to learn to sell your children on living right. Listen, we're going to teach you some powerful things. So go ahead, those who are ready, click over here to get started now. And by the way, my friend, you're going to learn there's going to be 6 different sessions. And I've been paid $500 an hour just to coach people. That's going to be at least over 3 hours worth of material you're going to get. $1,500 value easily. You're getting for a measly $97.97. You're going to learn about the breakthrough selling system. You're going to learn how to sell without selling. As a matter of fact, you're going to learn, my friend, the breakthrough selling selection, breakthrough selling confidence. You're going to learn the self-sabotage I talk about with selling. We're going to talk about the greatest sale you'll ever make. We're going to talk about how you can recruit and be effortless in your recruiting efforts. It's so powerful. We're going to talk about the selling cycle. Over and over again, the tools, the leverage, all of that. You want to take these lessons. And it's going to be archived in the membership section so you can get that all anytime you want to and go over it. Now, as an extra bonus, for $10 measly, you can be an affiliate. And guess what? You can sell the course to others and make 50%. That's right. So if you just get 2 people to sign up, then yours is paid for. If you get 3, you're getting paid for this thing. So it's powerful. It's what you've been looking for. It's what you need. And there's so many people, my friend, that are looking for something like this. And if you help them get it, you, my friend, are going to be rewarded handsomely. So this is Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. I look forward to working with you, empowering you. My wife and I, we say we aspire to inspire breakthroughs even after we've expired. So listen carefully. The most expensive thing in the world is when you miss the right opportunity. Don't miss this one. Click the button, get started now, because if not, you can end up being poor. P-O-O-R, passing over opportunities repeatedly. But if you get started, you can position yourself to be rich. R-I-C-H, raking in cash happily, and then raking in cash honestly. So again, breakthrough selling system is what you've been looking for. It's the start that stops most people. Don't let the start stop you. Get started now.